Believe when I tell them that at 23 months he's in underwear day and night, no pull-ups, and is dry. Thanks a lot, Carol. Gail from Toronto, Canada emailed me shortly after using my program to say, I can't find the right words to thank you. I was starting to think that I would be changing my daughter's diapers forever. I thought I was surely going to have to homeschool her because she wasn't going to be potty trained in time. I've spent so much money on one-day potty training ideas, potty dolls, and even another potty training book. All those things were a waste of time. We started potty training first thing Saturday morning. I did want to cry because it was lots of work, but after a couple of hours, she was understanding me and enjoying the process. The first night, she did have a pee accident, but on Sunday morning, things just started working. Tori just started going and hasn't had an accident since. I still can't believe it. I won't lie and say that it was fun for me. I would rather have spent my weekend hanging out with my girlfriends, but the time spent was well worth it. I will forever be grateful to you. I've been telling all my friends about your website. God bless you, your family, and your business. This testimonial was sent to me recently from Kimberly out of Honolulu and made me grin from ear to ear. Kimberly wrote, I never told anyone this, but I've had a few good tears roll down my face the past few weeks after attempting to potty train my youngest daughter, Megan, who is now 28 months old. If I had just come across your site even a week ago, I would have saved myself from countless accidents that have now made my car almost unbearable to be in, even with all the windows down. I grabbed your guide, but with such a bad few weeks before, I went slowly with your methods and was even still blown away by how fast it all worked. And when I say it worked, I mean fully trained, with not a single accident, even at night. I'm glad I took the leap of faith and gave your guide a chance. Parents are seriously loving the Start Potty training method, and I truly want the next testimonial I receive to be from you. Now, to make this an even sweeter deal for you and to remove any last bit of doubt that you're feeling, I've included 3 incredible top-notch products and services as a bonus with this package. However, this deal will only last for a very limited time. So if you order today, you'll also receive these 3 additional free bonuses valued at $406.95. Free bonus number 1. This guide comes with free reward charts and certificates. This is a fun way for you and your child to track their progress. Using charts with different cartoon characters, your child will become motivated to quickly complete their chart. When the chart has been all filled up with check marks or their favorite stickers, you can then simply print out their own customized Big Kids certificate that they can display proudly in their bedroom or washroom. This is a $29.95 value, but yours absolutely free today to say thank you for using my Start Potty Training Guide. Free bonus number 2. This guide comes with my personal one-on-one coaching free of charge. Normally, I charge $175 per hour for my help. You don't pay a single cent. There are always going to be some parents with somewhat unique circumstances when it comes to potty training their child, which is why I'm offering you my personal undivided attention. Simply email me your unique questions and they shall be promptly answered by me personally. Because there are only so many hours